know, the masters of building habits, they always say you have to start the habit before you perfect it. And that's exactly that. So start off with a small part of time, like 20, 30 minutes, and then build up from there. Also, don't just say, I'm going to work out forever. If you've never worked out before, that's intimidating. Go for 1 week, lock down one solid week where you're going to be consistent working out. And I don't recommend working out every day. I recommend working out every day. If you're walking or yoga, yeah, every day is fine. But if you're into CrossFit or bodybuilding or running or something like that, no, don't do it every day. Do it every other day. It gives you a chance to recover. So set yourself up for success. Don't commit to a long time. Give it 1 week and then reevaluate. When you get to that week, you say, well, I got this. Say, I'm going to lock down. I'm going to go for a whole month. And then only commit to a month and then reflect on the month. After a month, you'll already probably start forging most of the habit and you'll be in it and you'll get the benefits. And the more you do it, you'll start to enjoy it. Your body will change, your mind will change, everything will open up. But it has to be done in a sustainable fashion. Another thing for accountability is record how many times you're going. You know, what I do is I put a G on the calendar on the day that I'm working out. I look back at that week, I know if I'm winning or losing. Another thing you can do, if you're forging this habit, tell a friend or a family member when you're going to do your workout. Just by telling them that, you're going to hold yourself more accountable for doing it.